Japan Vietnam Fertilizer Factory. Proud pioneering steps. Japan Vietnam Fertilizer (JVF) rallied the first advanced and modern fertilizer factory in Vietnam. A company in Vietnamese farmers throughout 63 provinces and cities, the JVF NPK brand delivers high-quality NPK compound fertilizer products manufactured by the JVF. In 1995, Japan Vietnam Fertilizer Company was established by two Japanese companies with extensive experience in fertilizer and agricultural products, Nissho Iwai, now the Sojitz Corporation, and Central Class. They proceeded to build an advanced, modern NPK fertilizer factory. JVF defined its mission as supporting the development of Vietnamese agriculture and improving the lives of farmers. From there, the company researched, tested, and introduced fertilizer models suitable for the environment and crops in Vietnam. In 1998, Japan Vietnam Fertilizer Factory was completed and put into production. To date, in addition to NPK products supplemented with secondary and micronutrients, the JVF factory also meets the diverse needs for single fertilizers such as DAP, AS, and Urea with high-quality raw materials. Located in Gò Dầu Industrial Park, Phước Thái Commune, Long Thành District, Đồng Nai Province, the JVF factory is in an area with convenient transportation networks, including National Highway 51 and the Thị Vải River, ensuring smooth and continuous transportation of goods. The total area of the factory is up to 15 hectares, built on a large scale, aiming for high productivity and meeting nationwide demand, as well as exporting abroad. After more than 26 years of continuous development, the factory's capacity has now reached 350,000 tons per year, and it continues to improve in terms of technology and techniques to further enhance productivity and product quality. With all machinery imported from Japan and other countries, JVF achieves high productivity while utilizing the most modern technologies. One of the main highlights is the steam granulation technology, using a production line imported directly from Japan. This technology is not only suitable for the climate and environment of tropical countries like Vietnam, but also brings many outstanding benefits. The steam granulation process allows JVF to flexibly use various raw materials such as SA, DAP, MAP, SSP, MOP, or SOP as required by each formula. The trim granulator ensures uniformity in nutrient composition and creates round, firm fertilizer granules. Environmental factors are always prioritized to aim for sustainable development and safety for people. Steam granulation technology does not use liquids like ammonia and phosphoric acid, helping to avoid air, soil, and water pollution during production. The production process is fully automated and closed, combined with a water recirculation system. The dust collection and filtration system allows for the complete recovery of dust and exhaust gases during production. The collected dust and water are returned to the production process, saving raw materials. In addition, the JVF factory also invests in a TGT scraper air filtration system, back filters, and chimneys, ensuring a safe working environment with minimal dust for employees and effective environmental protection. With the motto, "Quality is our top priority," JVF always maintains a strict quality control system, ensuring that every stage, from input material to the final product reaching consumers, is closely monitored. The entire process, including sampling, operation, and packaging, is carried out by personnel at the factory who have achieved ISO 9001-2015 certification. JVF use imported raw materials from reputable international suppliers with stable quality to meet the stringent requirements for product quality. Before being put into production, these raw materials undergo rigorous testing to ensure they do not contain any components that could harm the environment, crops, or human health. During the production process, an automatic sampling system takes samples every 15 minutes to ensure product quality consistency and control the nutrient content in each batch of fertilizer. The fertilizer products are carefully packaged to ensure quality throughout the transportation process. Each bag of fertilizer is thoroughly inspected before leaving the factory, limiting external impacts that could affect the internal quality and ensuring that it reaches consumers in the best possible condition. In addition, at the JVF factory, the Soil Quality Analysis Laboratory plays an important role in researching and developing new products as well as optimizing the effective use of JVF NPK products suitable for each soil type and each stage of crop growth and development. Thanks to modern equipment, each year JVF collects hundreds of soil samples from many key areas, then analyze and evaluates indicators such as phosphor pentosic, kali oxide, sulfur, calcium oxide, magnesium oxide, organic matter, pH. From there, they provide recommendations on the most appropriate fertilizer dosage for each crop type in each region. Additionally, the factory's laboratory has achieved ISO 17025-2017 certification, ensuring the accuracy of test research.
JVF の経営理念は我々の事業を通じてベトナムの農業の発展、そしてベトナムの経済の発展に貢献することです。当社製品は高品質と謳っておりますが、現状の品質に我々は満足しているわけではありません。まだまだ品質改善の必要があると考えております。これからもこれらの改善活動を進めて、お客様が心から喜んでくれる製品を提供できるように、皆様のお役に少しでも立てれば良いかと考えております。
Up to the present time, JVF has not only established a strong presence in the Vietnamese market, but has also become a reputable brand for farmers in Malaysia, Indonesia, Laos, Cambodia, and Japan, receiving much positive feedback about the quality of fertilizers and their effectiveness in crop care as well as harvest use. With a strategic vision and the determination of its personnel, JVF is committed to continuing to innovate and improve fertilizer quality, accompanying farmers on the path of sustainable development. At the same time, with close cooperation with international and domestic partners, JVF wishes to bring the best values to the agricultural industry and contribute positively to socio-economic development. The JVF factory is proud to be a symbol of pioneering quality and responsibility in the agricultural sector, aiming towards a green and sustainable future